أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In this session, we are going to focus on how to write the discussion section using answerthis.io. Now, when we are writing the discussion section, it's always a good idea to start with a summary of your main findings from your research. Now, what you need to do is briefly identify the rationale behind your study and summarize the key results of your study. Now, what this will do is that this will help you provide context for the rest of your discussion section. Now, what are the key ingredients in a discussion section? Now, the first thing that you have to do is you have to describe, compare, and contrast your findings with those of the previous studies, if there are any previous studies, or whatever you have based your literature on that led to the proposition of hypothesis. Now, what you need to do is compare the findings with those of other studies in your field or whatever literature has proposed. Now, this will help to put the findings in context and to highlight any similarities or differences between your study and that of others. Now, how can I use answerthis.io to get an answer for this particular question? Now, for example, my study is based on the impact of corporate social responsibility on service quality. Now, I have found a significant impact of corporate social responsibility on service quality. Now, I want to compare the findings of my research with existing research. Now, I have to find some existing research. So how will I do it using answerthis.io? So I've written this small prompt. I'll copy this. But make sure it's very important that before you use answerthis.io, you have read some discussions. Now, you have read some papers, so you know how to structure and format a discussion section. Now, without reading, you won't be able to utilize these tools, specifically answerthis.io, in a proper manner. So let's say I'll copy this. Here is answerthis.io, and I've put in my query. I want papers, no internet. I haven't uploaded anything in the library, but if you do, you can use library as well. And let's start. Now, here are the papers that have assessed the impact of corporate social responsibility on service quality. Now, it's generating the summary of those papers. So there is extensive research that has assessed the direct impact of CSR on service quality. So these are the studies. Again, moving on. Service quality as mediating variable in the CSR effects. Multidimensional CSR effects. Now, what they have done is they would have assessed each dimension and how it affects the service quality. Now, again, you must go through all these details and see how they fit your research. Now, again, if you have read some discussion sections in different papers, you would know what information to extract. Now, this is the overall summary of what existing research is available in the area. Now, you can change it to APA. You can open the notebook. We've discussed this earlier as well, and use it in notebook to edit it further and structure it. Now, moving on, this was the first thing that we do in a research discussion section. What other ingredients or elements are there in the discussion section? Now you have to compare your findings with existing theory. So in my research, I used stakeholder theory to explain or propose the relationship between corporate social responsibility on service quality. Now that I have found a significant impact, I have to explain this relationship in light of stakeholder theory. Now again, this is the query that I can use. Moving on, let's say we go back, and how can stakeholder theory explain the significant impact of corporate social responsibility on service quality? Again, let's search. Now here are the papers, and we will have our summary shortly. Now what it does is it creates a mutual value through stakeholder alignment. Now service quality can be explained as a mechanism. Stakeholder engagement. Now read through this text. Now, once you read through this text, this will help you further understand the role of stakeholder theory in explaining the impact of corporate social responsibility on service quality. Furthermore, now what if your results are insignificant? And this can happen if you have a complex model. So let's say if I found insignificant results, this is the question that I can ask. Under what conditions can corporate social responsibility have an insignificant impact on service quality? Now, this is one of the things where mostly the scholars get caught up. They don't know what answers should they have. Now, in this case, answerthis.io can really help you. For example, let's go back. Let's ask this question. Now, these are the conditions for insignificant impact. Now, absence of integration with core services, lack of direct mediation, well, that's another analytical option, insufficient customer awareness. Now, again, go through this text. Now, CSR initiatives can have an insignificant impact when customers lack the awareness. They don't know what CSR is. Now, what the organization is failing to do so, it's they are not able to propagate their CSR initiatives, and that's not actually that, and that is why it's not affecting the service quality within the organization. Now, this is something that you can use in your implications as well. So not only that answerthis.io is helping you find the reasons for the insignificant results, it's helping you draft your implication sections as well. Now, in implication sections, you can have the theoretical implications, you can have the social implications, you can have the practical implications as well. And finally, the implications. So you can have a query for implications as well. So let's say if I found a significant impact, what implication does that have? So let's say we go back and let's paste it, enter. Now here are the source papers. Now here are the results. Now it can lead to better trust and loyalty. It can lead to strategic competitive advantage. Now let's say if I further want to ask another question, what theoretical implications can the relationship have? Enter. So I'm asking follow-up questions. So in this case, those were general implications. Now I want theoretical implications. Now here are the theoretical implications. Stakeholder theory, which we used to devise the relationship between CSR and service quality. So this is very important. So again, using answerthis.io can provide you with better direction, but you have to use it intelligently. Before using answerthis.io, make sure you read a lot so you understand the structure and format and critical ingredients of a research paper and every section of a research paper. Thank you very much.